Hey friends, if you wish to fix Logitech headset not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first thing is to check connections, whether wired or wireless. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Bluetooth and devices tab and select devices in the right pane. Now it shows receivers if it is a wireless device. Okay. So you can check if its receiver is present here and if it's in green, like in my case it is. And if it's a wired connection, obviously check that the wires should be connected. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. Usually headphones do not have their own drivers, but to be sure, you can search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager, expand audio inputs and outputs, and right click and update all the audio drivers. Okay. The next solution will be to restart your computer. Right click on the start button and select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution is to check the sound settings. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab, select sound and make sure that the right speakers are selected here. Lastly, run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot in the right pane and then select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.